Hello guys, welcome to Himmel 56 Premiere Pro quick tutorial. So how to use motion blur? It's really simple. Select the layer in which we want to apply the motion blur. Then go to effect. If you cannot able to find the effect here, click on this button. Then select effect from here. Then search for transform. Then left click, drag and drop over the layer. Now go to top left side, effect control. Here we have our transform. Let's make keyframe for position, then go to like 10 frame, move the character from right to left, select both keyframes, right click, ease out. Let's see what we have. So there is no motion blur. So how to use motion blur? Simple. We need to change the shutter angle. Let's change it to like 90. See, now we have motion blur. But if you want to increase the motion blur, increase the shutter angle like 360. See, let's use the motion blur on a footage. So for that, select the effect, search for transform, left click, drag and drop over the footage. Same effect control. Let's make keyframe for position and scale. Go to 25th frame, change height and width to 100%, give it a proper position. Let's see what we have. It's choppy, right? So to add motion blur, just change the shutter angle like 180. See, more smooth. If you are not satisfied, just increase the shutter angle 360. See? So guys, that's how we can easily add motion blur in Premiere Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.